LCD display, settings menu and escape function. This allows you to set your general preferences, and you can press again to exit the menu. My Beverages and scroll left button. Opens your personalized drinks menu and scrolls left. OK and aroma strength button. Confirm selections and adjust the strength of your coffee delivery. Direct recipes. Espresso. Coffee. Cappuccino. Latte macchiato. Beverage selection and scroll right button. Opens the beverages not available as one-touch recipes and scrolls right.